You're coming home with me. We're back in the garden today, and I made some little friends that got rehomed in my compost bin. My garden has been so neglected that my tomato plants and my potatoes have had to grow through this mesh. I think they're trying to embarrass me. These beetroots will never grow if they're this close together. So today I tried thinning them out. I got rid of the weeds and the random bits of grass growing. Ugh, go away. I despise you. If you've got weeds in between your plants, you don't want to put these in your compost. You'd think the seeds would just go ahead and die off, but they don't. And if you're composting hard, woody materials like this, you're going to want to chop them into pieces, as they take a really long time to break down. Oh, and I highly recommend not to put potato peelings or tomato scraps in your compost, because you'll randomly find them growing in your garden when you use the compost. Honestly, when the next meteor hits, potatoes and tomatoes, they're gonna survive. And before you go, check out the difference in size between these shop-bought strawberries and these wild strawberries.